Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Google Classroom account for security purposes or to confirm your identity, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to classroom.google.com. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Step 2. If you're using a school or work account, make sure you're using the correct organizational email address provided by your institution. Step 3. Check your email inbox for any verification messages from Google Classroom or your school administrator. These emails may contain verification links or codes. Step 4. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of Google Classroom and verify that the correct email address is displayed. Step 5. If your institution requires two-factor authentication, go to your Google account settings, select Security, and enable two-step verification. Step 6. Set up a recovery phone number and email address in your Google account security settings to help verify your identity if you ever lose access. Step 7. If you're a teacher setting up a class for the first time, Google may ask you to verify that you're an educator. Follow the prompts to complete the educator verification process. Step 8. Contact your school IT administrator if you continue to have verification issues, as they may need to approve your account on the administrative side. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.